Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, let's hold power key. From there, select power off. Once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode, so in here using volume keys you want to navigate in order to select recovery mode, like so, and then press power key to confirm it. And once you're in the recovery mode, again using volume keys you want to select enter Fastboot. Again power key, confirm it, and as you can see, there we go, Fastboot mode. And from here you have couple options, so you can go back to Android, go back to recovery mode, or boot mode, which is the first screen that we've seen after powering off, or you can also simply power off the device. So again, same as before, whatever you want to select, use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. So I'm gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot system now, and let's give it a moment to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.